What's STD stand for?
What?
STD on the screen.
Oh, you're in standard mode. So if you ever want to get spunky, you want to put it in A mode.
Wow.
If you want to get spunky. What?
I'm relieved.
Oh, why?
I thought it meant sexually transmitted disease.
Oh, babe.
I was going to watch the seat. I didn't know what it meant.
Oh, my gosh.
It's disgusting.
That's dumb, Gary. My bike has road mode, which is what I'm in right now, which is kind of like standard. And then dynamic, and then dynamic pro.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh, shoot, I just killed it, babe.
I bet you edit that out.
Thanks, babe.
You're welcome.
I got to get used to these shorty levers. What the heck?
What?
I don't know. Oh.
All right.
My cruise control was on. Oh. Wow.
Must have pressed the wrong button.
Yeah. Maybe when I was cleaning it, I might have slid the button over.
I like this shifter.
Isn't it great?
Yeah.
I tell you what. I think once you've had one of these things, it'd be hard to go back.
I know.
This is pretty dang cool. I like it. All right, I want this big gray cloud to go away.
I don't. I want it to open up.
Oh, really? Oh, Gary.
Add to our...
You do not mean that.
It would give us a good story.
You do not mean that.
It would give you good material.
No,
for
I don't want that kind of material.
For your little home movie.
My home movie. I don't want that kind of material. I just turned my heated grips on.
I wish I had heated grips.
Oh. Yeah, you can get them installed.
I wish I had a heated seat.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
If I want to heat up my seat, I have to pass gas. All right, I'm going to turn over.
Is it a left or a right?
To right.
Okay. Underneath this pretty little oak tree. Did you turn your bike off?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll turn mine off. That way it'll be a little quieter, too. Oh, it's just beautiful. Oh, I love oak trees. Wow, there's a vineyard up there. That is nice.
How's this thing work?
I'll show you. Yeah, you go like that and put it in. It just clamps on.
Oh.
And then for extra safety, you hook that there.
Oh,
and then you do the same on the bottom.
Huh. I'll be damned.
Yeah. Let's roll. No go for Jesse.
It's raining.
Come on, let's go.
Well, I can't have my phone get wet. It won't rain too much.
All right. See, you made a wish, now it's coming true.
All right, you ready?
No, I got to get my phone off. Quick shifter.
Whoa, hail.
What?
Hail.
Oh, gosh. Oh, this is just great. I hope my GoPro survives this hailstorm.
Woo.
Oh, great.
Is it hail?
Yes. It hurts.
It does hurt.
Oh, my gosh, I can't believe this.
Be careful.
All right. Oh, my bike. Oh, my gosh. Gary.
Woo! Ouch. Who knew, huh?
Yeah, this is great.
I'm going to keep it at about 50. You all right?
Yeah, I'm okay. I know. This is insane.
Well, you have better pants on than I do.
What do we do?
What?
What do we do?
Keep going.
Okay.
Ow.
Oh, my God. Ow. Ow. Oh, I hope my camera's waterproof.
All right, let's pull over.
Oh.
All right?
Pull over where?
On the side of the road.
No, just keep going.
Is there a winery up here?
A what?
A winery.
I don't know. My pants are soaked.
All right, slowing down now.
Yeah.
Okay, we're all right.
Okay.
My ass is wet.
Unbelievable.
Be careful. It's very wet, Alex.
Yeah, it was that cold. We're going to get hailed on.
Now we're down to 48.
Okay, well, we're still going to go into town?
Yeah, I'm not turning around.
Okay.
Well,
my pants are all wet.
We'll go back through the hailstorm. Once we're there, we'll dry out a little bit. Then we can skip the beach and just go home.
Yeah.
I bet your pants dry out pretty quickly with all this air.
Oh, great. With this 48-degree air?
Yeah. Oh, hey, we're up to 50.
Oh, yay.
We're having a heat wave, a tropical heat wave.
Oh, God.
Oh, that was exciting.
Yeah, that was a blast. Oh, sun ahead. Get me up there. Bikers, you're in for a treat. Oh, they're turning right. What's the coldest thing on you right now? Mine is my thighs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, can you make sure you edit out the part where I pulled over and started crying?
You didn't pull over and cry.
Can you pull out the part where you came around the corner and found me in a fetal position by the side of the road sobbing?
Okay, I will. I'll edit that out.
All right.
Woo!
Now we're in sunshine.
Thank goodness. See, I can be pretty tough when I need to be, babe.
You can be pretty tough.
I'm not really pulled over as much as I should.
Just go. Just go.
I feel like I peed my pants. I'm not going to go without
I did pee my pants, and it was wonderful.
You did not. Yeah, I do have a waterproof case for the GoPro, but that's not what's on it right now. So hopefully it's okay.
On your GoPro?
Yeah.
I bet it's all right.
A little soggy, but we made it. Sorry you got hailed on, baby.
Me too.
So sorry. You okay?
Oh, you're talking to your motorcycle, not me.
Oh, you too, sweetheart. Sorry. Thank you.
Whatever.
Oh, Gary.
It's all right. I don't get jealous.
Come on now, Gary.
I don't get jealous.
Hey, who gave you a brand new, beautiful FCO fully modded FC09? People on the internet would kill for this bike.
Kill for it. I did make out like a bandito.
Yes, you did.
You know.
I want to get a good look at you. You look good on that bike, Gary Lloyd. Look at my man. mama. That's nice.